Ever wondered how long it takes to sprinkle those glowing customer reviews all over your Google Ads and supercharge your click-through rates? Let's dive right in and clear up some common misconceptions. Here's the thing: Google Ads doesn't actually host or display reviews directly like, say, your own website might. Instead, it leverages review extensions and product ratings, which are essentially pulled in from other sources. So, there's no uploading reviews into Google Ads. What you can do is set up review extensions. You show snippets of positive reviews from reputable third-party sources alongside your ads. Think of it like borrowing credibility from trusted websites. These sites might include verified review platforms like Trustpilot or industry-specific review sites. If you're selling products, Google Merchant Center is crucial. Product ratings, which are the star ratings you see next to your products in shopping ads, are pulled directly from here. Make sure your product data feed is accurate and includes customer reviews where applicable. The real-time investment, it's in actively managing your presence on those external review platforms. Encourage customers to leave reviews, respond to feedback, both positive and negative. A strong online reputation equals better ad performance, because Google wants to show users the best, most reputable options. So, while you're not directly uploading reviews into Google Ads, nurturing those external sources is what ultimately drives those positive reviews to show up and boost your campaign's focus on those platforms, and you'll see the results reflected in your ad performance.